What's with your 4th of July plans? What's new here at Waterfront?
Oh, we're starting actually today. We're having the kickoff, and it runs all the way up to 4th of July.
Yes.
And it's the Filipino-American Friendship Day and 4th of July, and it works perfectly with the ongoing promotion,
Yes,
which is the Filipino Food Festival.
Yes,
so half the restaurant is Filipino food and half is American.
Oh.
And it's going to be a lot of activities. We start next Friday with a ribbon cutting, and then we're going to have hotdog-eating contest, make your own cupcake.
How can you join these contests?
You have to go through our Marcom, Arnel and Karen.
Okay.
And
so anyone can join, like the guests can join?
Yes.
Oh, so guys, so what's the price? If you went,
I have to talk with them.
oh yeah, but there will be a lot of, especially this 4th of July weekend, there will be a lot of.
Yeah, and then on Saturday we're going to have a motorcade together with Hallden and other sponsors through Cebu City, where we drive around, and then we're going to have a rock and roll band with food and beverage on the terrace of Gondola and Prep in the afternoon. In the evening, of course, it's the Amsham's yearly dinner with fireworks. And then on Sunday, we're having, by the poolside, we will have an American picnic celebrating the American independence.
So it's American barbecue?
Yeah, American barbecue, beverage, swimming, jumping castles. But also, we're going to have one winner that walks away with a ticket for 2 to Hong Kong.
Wow, so yeah, trip to Hong Kong for everyone who's going to join them on Sunday, July.
Yeah, the first prize is.
That's July 2.
Yes,
yeah, on July 2. So it's a pool picnic party.
Yeah, and it's action-packed. It's going to be a very, very good event. And
the main prize would be a trip to
Hong
Kong. So all expense paid by the Waterfront Group.
And of course, then we have a hamburger cooking show with Tristan.
Chef Tristan, okay.
Yeah, where they're going to teach you the background about hamburgers, etc., and how it works. Hamburger have a very interesting history.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what?
So is it American or is it German?
It comes from Hamburg.
Okay.
And it was made on the ship going to America.
Oh, so that's interesting. That's one interesting tidbit, but you'll learn more if you join that hamburger making activity with Chef Tristan. Yeah.
So welcome. It's going to be action-packed and lots of fun. Filipino-American Friendship Day.
How much is the buffet for this week?
$898.
So it's still $898. And you get the best of both worlds, the Filipino dishes by the Laudicos and then the American station with those chuck-eye, rib-eye, and the tacos.
It's going to be an evening to remember if you come.
So, yes, please come.
Visit our Facebook page.
And make reservations.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
So guys, see you and just look for him. So from today until the 4th of July, you will have this American station here at the Waterfront, included in our buffet, which has some of the best Filipino dishes already by the Laudicos. Now we have this awesome American station that will include some chuck eyes, rib eyes, sliders, Boston seafood chowder. They have of course, a salad bar and a Tex-Mex station that will include some tacos, some sliders, some ribs, and also some wings, by the way, and blackened pork chop. So, yes, if you want to enjoy some of the best American dishes paired with the best Filipino dishes, you better head out here at the Waterfront Uno Restaurant. Remember that name, Uno Restaurant. And yeah, get the best of both worlds.
I'm still eating. Hey guys! Don't forget to subscribe to Kalami, the Tired is now vlogger, and come here to Uno.
Yeah, Uno. One of the best buffets in Cebu.
Also the best